Today we're going to create little watercolor birds using a brown blue. And I'm going to do the feathers first. Back tail feathers. And then I'll do the body shape, which is kind of rounded. And the head. I'm not aware if it's too perfect because I'm going to bring in a finer. So here's the finer brush. So I'll finish the head off. The little beak. And the feet. Okay, so now I can take some white and do some splatters. And also you can fix the little feet and things, like you want a little thinner feet. You can splatter the ground. Now here are the watercolor birds all finished. Have fun.